board, and let me get the shameless plug up here. I should have had that up there. All right, got it. So today is November 3rd, 2009. After the close, this is our evening show, and we're at www.tradingparadise.com. All right, S&P 500 cash. Basically, did not trade below Monday's low, and did not trade below Friday's low, and a potential hammer type thing. This whole week comes down to the Fed and Friday's economic report. But if we should push up, I see resistance tomorrow at Monday's high. Okay, so if we should push up, first resistance is going to be right here. All right, and remember, tomorrow is that big meeting. So, all right, what should we look at? What do you want to look at next?
I thought we were doing the indices.
All right, like what? Spiders?
Okay.
All right.
Well, I thought, okay.
No, I like to look at the spiders separate to the cash. Maybe you see something in volume. Hey, what you got?
I like it. It's been fun intraday trading, I'll tell you this.
You've actually been killing it.
And doing pretty well.
What do you call this pattern?
Well, you know, this one wasn't my favorite pattern. It was like, yeah, intraday. And this is what you should think about, or at least what I think about. When the 80 lines are mixed, advanced decliners are like half and half, you're best to find out what your best trade is. Your, like RIM was moving. What's your movers today?
Right.
And that was a great trade, and we did a really great afternoon trade on that. But if you're going to trade this intraday when it's not a trending day, I like to do it either light or tight, or you like to do it heavy and quick.
I go heavy and quick.
Yeah, but if you do catch some movement, it does move and it does pay. And I do like that. It's more fun now with the volatility increasing. Now, I'll have to say that.
Remember, on the spiders, 100 contracts, 1 penny equals $100.
That's really true.
It is true.
Doesn't have to move all that.
All right, so I think next we'll do the diamonds. Diamonds hanging in there on the 50-day simple moving average.
Yes.
Look at that. Relatively strong compared to the others.
I think so too. I
agree.
I think that the large caps have definitely taken leadership. One of the over the small caps for sure.
And I noticed these lows here, these 3 lows, are coming right off of these highs over here that were put in end of August. So, and the 8 is right on top of the 21, although the 21 is descending.
The only thing I'm concerned about on all these indices is that the stochastics are, well, how do you say this, below 20 and almost to the toilet. So that's my concern.
Well, the good thing about that is they can only go to 0.
Yep.
Once you hit 0.
But if I look at other things, I'm thinking, might have found some support. We might be ready for a support bounce. So there's some divergence here. That's all I want to say.
Well, what I'm thinking, you know, when I go back to the spiders, is even if we do get a bounce, I must have typed in the wrong symbol. Even if we do get a bounce, I would just probably consider this to be wave A, and we get some wave B, and probably a wave C. I really think we need to hit something like that or something like that to really be convincing. Although the market has fooled everybody so many times. So.
Yep. Got to be like Al. Got to be
nimble. Be like
nimble.
Al. Right.
He's my hero.
Let's see, quad Qs. And this is one that actually kind of yesterday double bottomed off of that low. That what was the date on that low?
I see that.
October the 2nd low. Yeah. So this is another one. I mean, that's a great place for the shorts to stop shorting and see, you know, and reevaluate before they get back in. IWMs. Actually, I think the IWMs did pretty good today.
Yeah, pretty good candle. Look at the candle.
Of all the indices, this, with the exception of the next one, this is the best candle.
Look at that.
Right, and you know, they had hit this line twice, coming off a double top, double bottomed on basically the 50% retrace. Although I gotta say, this pattern, this double top pattern, has not hit the downside target, which would be the distance, right?
Right.
That distance equals that distance. I will say that. Strictly speaking.
It sure did work though to get short.
Yeah,
so
it
that
did.
was good.
Now, the next one. The transports. And I think you have to blame this one on Warren Buffett.
Blame it on.
Blame it on the alcohol. DJT. So gapped up. And, okay, so this is another one. Basically, like the IWM's double top. Come back right down into an area where, you know, you probably should stop being short. And then Warren Buffett decides he's going to buy out Burlington Northern Railroad. And these guys put in a great day. So I would say this high right here on the transports is in play as we go forward. All right, so we covered the indices, and what I need to do here is going to take 30 seconds. I'm going to stop this record.